All right, I know you guys want to hear this thing, but let me run through some specs first. This is a 6-liter LQ4 out of a 2001 2500 truck with a TIC Performance Stage 2 towMAX truck cam. We've got Speed Engineering Shorty headers. It is a 2600 to 2800 stall with a 4L80 in it. Holley high ram and the big intake, the 103 or 105, I can't remember. We've got a full 2.5-inch exhaust to a Summit Racing X-pipe and the Black Widow Venom 250 mufflers with a couple turn down tips. If you guys like this square body, make sure you check out the channel down below. Let's fire this thing up.